Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make pork tenderloin, full guide. Trim silver skin, pat the meat dry, and season generously with salt, pepper, and herbs. Sear the tenderloin over high heat until browned, then roast at 425 degrees F until internal temperature reaches 145 degrees F. Rest meat for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing to retain juices, and then serve warm and delicious. Choose a pork tenderloin about 1:1. 5 pounds for 3 to 4 servings, and check for silver skin to remove. Marinate or rub the meat for at least 30 minutes for better flavor. Use a meat thermometer to monitor doneness and avoid overcooking. Let marinade sit at room temp briefly before cooking, and preheat pans or oven for consistent searing, then slice against the grain and serve immediately. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, smart mapping, and hands-free cleanup. It's perfect for cleaning crumbs, drips, and grease that can happen after cooking pork tenderloin. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy a tidier kitchen with less elbow grease. Now let's get back to the video. Pan searing then oven roasting gives a caramelized crust and even interior. Grilling adds smoky flavor. Rotate to avoid hot spot burning and watch flare-ups. Sous vide cooks precisely. Finish with a quick sear for texture. Use 145 degrees F as target internal temp, followed by a 3 to 5 minute rest to ensure safety and juiciness. Enjoy experimenting with rubs and glazes to find your favorite flavor profile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.